Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me again, Rodson. I'm back again with another tutorial. As you can see on the title, I will be talking about the fastest way to install your massive games on your computer. But before that, I just want to talk about SSD that can also help to boost your computer to install a massive games. Because a solid state drive or SSD can speed up the performance of your computer significantly, often more than what a faster a hard disk drive or HDD can. What is a solid state drive or SSD? SSD is a new generation of storage device used in computers. SSDs replace traditional mechanical hard disks by using flash-based memory, which is significantly faster. Older hard disk storage technology runs slower, which often makes your computer run slower than it should. SSDs speed up computers significantly due to their low read access times and fast throughput. And I just want to remind you that it will depend on your computer specs. And we just want to show you on how you can bring out the maximum process to install massive games on your computer. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the fastest way to install your games is to go on safe mode. In order to go to the safe mode, you just need to click Windows R, then type msconfig. Then click OK. After that, go to boot options, then check the safe boot under the advanced options, then click apply and OK. Then choose restart. Why safe mode? Because safe mode is an alternate way of starting up your computer. So it's only using the essentials programs needed to run. Normally, when you boot up your computer, it loads a lot of drivers, which are programs that allow your operating system or OS to communicate with other device and software. However, when you start up and safe mode, only the minimum number of drivers needed to run the computer are loaded. Usually just the mouse, keyboard, or the display drivers. Yes. Okay, that's it for today. Hoping it will help you, and thank you for watching. See you on next vlog. Bye bye. So yun guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated to our next video. Hi, thank you for watching.